Hello students, welcome to all aspiring engineers in my YouTube channel presented by Professor Priya Shimpe. In this video, we are going to see a very small concept of center tap transformer. See, this center tap transformer is required in a full wave rectifier circuit because for one transformer you can connect one diode. But in a full wave rectifier circuits, we require two diodes. So, for connecting the two diodes, we need the two transformer, but the two transformer will make the circuit bulky. So that is why we have used here a center tap transformer. Okay. Center tap transformer is a transformer whose secondary winding is divided into two parts. How it is divided in two parts? Simply, we have taken a middle point of this total secondary winding. We have taken the middle point and connect it to the ground potential. That means connect it to the 0 volts. And this is how the total secondary winding will be divided in the two parts. This portion, this will be your, from this ground above, this will be your upper secondary winding between the points A and O, and this remaining half will be your lower secondary winding between the points O and A. Right? So whenever you are applying a AC signal, at the primary, so the two voltages will be induced in the two half secondary windings. So the voltage induced in upper secondary winding, we call it as Vs1, and the voltage induced in this lower secondary winding, I call it as Vs2, secondary voltage 2 in the lower winding. So how these voltages will be? See here, I consider AC supply of plus 10 volts and a minus 10 volts. So the voltage in upper secondary winding and the lower secondary winding, if you see, their magnitudes are same. That means plus 5 and minus 5, plus and minus 5. But you can see their directions is opposite. They are opposite in directions. So that means Vs1 and Vs2, they are same in magnitude but opposite in direction.